Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of Advent Technologies Holdings, and this is a company that is based out of Boston in Massachusetts in the United States. The company is active in the fuel cell and also hydrogen technology sector, and they provide energy solutions for vehicles, be it cars, trucks, aviation, and maritime sectors. So the catalyst for today's almost 80% rise in the stock valuation of Advent Technologies Holdings is that they signed a deal with Hyundai Motors, and I believe they will be supplying that technology to Hyundai. This came almost unexpectedly, but it is quite amazing because Advent Technologies already has the tech and probably some patents already in either patents that are already issued or in the pipeline, and signing up with a major auto manufacturer like Hyundai puts Advent Technologies in a very good spot. So Hyundai, without having to wait to develop its own in-house fuel cell and hydrogen technology, will be able to rely on what Advent Technologies has already developed, and that way ramp up its alternative fuel vehicles manufacturing capacity quickly. So this is very good news for environmentalists because it is a technology that if deployed on a large scale by a major OEM manufacturer like Hyundai, will take so many gas combustion engines off the roads. If you were invested in this company, congratulations. Even as we speak, you guys can see how trading in Advent Technologies Holdings is feverish. The stock actually opened up today at $2.58, and right now it is trading at $3.67 and going up even as we speak. Over the past month, let's say March 18th, you could see that Advent Technologies was valued at about $3.37 a share, and then that dropped all the way until yesterday, where it was trading at about $2. So this represents a massive leap, and hopefully Hyundai will be able to follow through with putting more alternative fuel vehicles on the road. Average volume 801,000 shares would exchange hands on a good day, but today the volume is at get this, 130 million shares. That is quite massive. Also, bear in mind, if you are trading in this company's stock, that the 52-week range has been from $1.98 and all the way up to $14.26. So even if the stock goes up 81% today, it might drop a little bit tomorrow. I expect this over the next couple of weeks to months to rise and settle somewhere between the $7 to $12 mark. Congratulations if you bought this before the announcement of the Hyundai deal. Otherwise, if you are thinking of investing in the new EV space, this might represent one of those good value stocks that, even though it went up 81% today, it might still not be too late. The future is pointing heavily towards alternative fuel vehicles. So if you have a company that is working in this space, it already has proven tech, then I think investing in that company over the long term would yield handsome returns. Anyways, don't take my word for it. Make sure you do your own due diligence, research about the company, the technologies they are bringing to the table, and if in doubt, then, like I always say, employ the services of a licensed financial advisor. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.